Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of December. And first of all, national news. Retired Indian Army dogs got new lease of life in schools and homes. Chennai firm gifted Tata cars, Royal Enfield bikes to employees. SEBI banned 9 entities from market for generating illegal gains of 21.16 crore rupees. AAP MP Raghav Chadha in Parliament raised issue of overpriced food at airports. Now international news. Russia's missing and two plane found, all aboard alive. Iceland's new government took office under PM Kristian Frostadottir. Qatar reopened embassy in Damascus after 13 years of closure. US conducted precision airstrikes on Houthi targets in Sana'a. And now some sports news. Women's cricket, India beat West Indies by 211 runs in the first ODI at Vadodara. Anahat Singh picked up her ninth PSA Challenger title in 2024. PM Modi wrote letter to Ravi Chandran Ashwin on retirement from international cricket. Indian under 19 team lifted inaugural T20 Asia Cup title. India to host ISSF Junior Shooting World Cup for first time in 2025. Now news related to business. Foreign investors pumped in over rupees 26,000 crore into Indian capital markets in December. GST Council announced rate cut on fortified rice kernels to 5%. GST Council increased tax on used EV cars sale by business. And that's all in news. Thank you.